Hello guys, Acorns continues to shine as one of the most beginner-friendly investing apps, especially for users who want to grow wealth passively. In 2025, it blends automation, budgeting tools, and micro-investing into one seamless experience aimed at everyday savers. So the app's standout feature is still roundups. It's linked to your debit or credit cards and rounds up each purchase to the nearest dollar, investing the difference into a diversified portfolio. Over time, those small amounts can add up without requiring much thought or effort. Acorns makes setup easy. Just answer a few questions about your financial goals and it recommends one of 5 pre-built portfolios ranging from conservative to aggressive. There's no need to pick stocks or understand markets. The app handles everything in the background. Portfolios are built using ETFs covering US stocks, bonds, real estate, and international market. Acorns rebalances your investments automatically, keeping your asset mix aligned with your goals, even as the market shifts or your account grows. Acorns now offers IRAs, checking accounts, and custodial account for kids. With features like recurring contributions, real-time roundup, tracking, and no overdraft fee, it's evolved into a full-suite financial tool, not just a spare change investor. Also, inside the app, you will find money basics, a simple hub for financial education, budgeting tips, and saving strategies. The app also personalizes insights about your spending habits and nudges you toward healthier financial behaviors. Acorns charges a monthly fee, starting at $3 per month for a personal plan. While that's great for people consistently saving, very small balances may get eaten by fee. It's ideal for those looking to automate finances without having to micromanage their portfolio. In 2025, Acorns is still one of the easiest way to start investing. It's perfect for beginners who want to save without thinking, build wealth slowly, and manage money in one place, all from one phone. For hands-off savers, it's still a top-tier choice. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.